Well, here we are on FR42 Saturday. This is Mike's shakedown run. He just had a long arm kit, upgrade kit installed on his Jeep. This is TerraFlex long arm kit. And let's see how flexy he gets here. Oh, you want to hold it right there? I'll go look at that steering. We were watching for parts to make sure nothing was rubbing. Just kisses right there. Oh, your spring deseated. Hold it right there, don't move. That track bar clamp right there is touching the upper control arm bracket. So we just have to rotate that clamp.
Is that as much flex as I'm getting?
That's it. You're off the ground right there.
All right.
It's a lot of down travel. You didn't have that before.
I didn't?
Not before.
Well, I like to see it, so I like to hear.
Nice. All right, here we are. This is the original gatekeeper right here. They've done a really good job of putting signage along the trail. And Mike is going to tackle the original gatekeeper. This one's a little bit twistier than the original one, or the first one we had, so this is really going to kind of showcase how much articulation he's got with this new set of long arms. I have him convinced that, or at least partially convinced, that his long arms don't articulate any better than my mid arm. So this will be kind of funny. If you've been following my channel for a while, Mike and I did basically the same kind of hardware on both of our Jeeps. TerraFlex mid arm kit, 3-inch lift, 3.5-inch lift. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, it's pretty good down travel there.
I don't know. I think I need to go and take a picture. Don't fall.
Yeah, I don't want to fall either. My son made me promise that I would be very, very careful today on the trail because the last time I was on 42, I slipped and fell in the loose dirt and tore a meniscus in my left knee. Oh, look at that.
Reflection you want, people. This is why. No, I'm just kidding.
You know, that really isn't any more than mine.
Oh, I think it's a lot more. Thank you. It better be for as much money as that.
No, that's...
Reminds me of my TJ. You know what? We need to take these suckers off. That's what's stopping it right there.
Yeah, no. Well, you could take them off. I don't think it'll make much difference.
I don't know. One way to find out. Look at that.
Oh, yeah, it does look good.
I see your hand. I see. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I see where you're coming.
that clamp might just be barely touching that upper mount.
I think we just rotate it a little bit out.
Probably just rotate that clamp out of the way if I had to guess.
And did you see this TerraFlex front axle housing? It is some beefy stuff compared to the OEMs. I'm just saying, you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna make sure to tag TerraFlex in my video. Maybe they'll send me a housing.
It's a new one.
That's pretty sexy, man.
You even got that thing to where you can look, check on your gears if you want. The little people, yeah. Tell ya.
TerraFlex. Oh man, you know what? You got room for 40s, dude.
I thought about it.
All right, come on, let's go. We got lots of trail left.
Trail, yeah.
See, it is.
That's very nice. Yeah. It's, now.
It's pretty sexy.
Look, I know it is. Very sexy. Oh, stop it. Now wait. Notice how the body's straight. You know, see, that's how it should be. Body's straight. I think it's straight. It's exactly how it should be.
All right, there we go. Oh, it's nice, dude. I like that.
You want a long kit now?
You know, if it were affordable these days, I might have one. But God, as expensive as everything is these days.
You gotta get sponsored. Just talk to TerraFlex.
TerraFlex, if you're listening.
We're live, folks. We're live. That's it. That's the way to do it. Nice and slow. Beautiful. Look at that flex. I just can't help to think they would flex a lot more if he had the long arm kit. See, he can't hear me right now, so I can make fun of him. Oh, we're running me over. Oh, here we go. Keep it steady, that's it. Oh yeah, oh, look at that. That shit's beautiful. That shit's dick. I knew where you were going with that. That is beautiful. Oh, jeez. I'm telling you now, when you get out over here, hold on to your Jeep because it's super slippery right here. I said be careful, it's really slippery right there. Oh, dude, you're gonna kill me. I don't think I was recording.
Oh, I know that's not true. If you know Mike, you know that everything he does is a production. This is an obstacle called nosedive because of this hole that's right there. The Tonto Recreation Alliance did a fantastic job with this trail, getting it reopened, in a huge part because of the late Kevin Patterson that had everything to do with this. There we go. Oh, I heard a pop. Oh yeah. It's pretty good. Pretty good. It's pretty nice. Oh, hello. Step in a hole. Ooh, nice travel. Hey, look at new housing. Ooh, nice long arms.
So sexy. Wait for it, and here we go.
Wait for it.
I don't know, I'm waiting for it.
In the comments below, you're gonna have to just overinflate Mike's ego with how wonderful this long arm kit is and how much more travel it has, and he's just gonna have a swelled up head. He was having trouble getting into his Jeep here a few minutes ago because his head was so swollen.
I heard that.
That was just a little bitty wheel stand.
I enjoyed it anyway, though. Let me tell you, it was very enjoyable. Breaking.
Yeah, looking good.
Oh, there I did a little breaking. I'm gonna go the right. I think that's the harder line.
Hey, hold on, let me put my hat around, hold on. This is a cage? Like my hat?
Just a minute.
Are you telling me just a minute? That's Robert.
That's Robert. That's Robert. That's his boys down there.
Right? Then it's the cage. It's Mike.
And Mike. That is cool.
Come down there. I'm gonna go on this down. Yeah, I want to go. You're very beautiful. You really are. You know, normally I kill you and I eat you. But those are some nice rattlers. And you'd be a good eating snake. You're pretty good, pretty big. But I don't know. I don't really feel like killing you right now. I have a snake catcher and everything. It's only.
Yeah, he's not happy.
No, but he's beautiful.
He's an older one. Look how many rattles he's got.
Yeah, I know. He's a fat one. Looks like he just ate two. You gotta be more careful crossing the road. I almost ran you over, and that would have been terrible.
Wow. Yeah, that's a Western Diamondback.
He's beautiful. He's pissed. Should I get a snake catcher and move him off the road?
Nope, just leave him be.
You better not get hit. If you cross the road, you're gonna get run over. Especially if side by side. They go fast. He's like, whatever. See, you're witnessing this. I don't even what. He's good eating too. I just don't feel like
He's a little bit less aggravated when you step away, obviously.
Yeah. But that's good. That's good that they're warning you, because some don't warn you this morning. You gotta be careful.
We're pretty good distance away.
Too. Look at that. Oh,
Maybe he'll just calm down and go away so that he doesn't get run over.
It looks like he was going this way.